If you're traveling in your RV with pets or little ones, you've probably worried about furry paws scratching your screen door or toddlers accidentally pushing through it. That's exactly why this aluminum adjustable RV entry screen door grille was made. This is how your package will arrive. To protect the aluminum panels from damage, we've wrapped the corners with EVA material, ensuring everything stays in perfect condition during shipping. Inside the package, you'll find 3 aluminum panels with ventilation holes to maintain airflow after installation. The center panel, already equipped with 12 fixed nuts, serves as the main structure, while the side panels are adjustable to fit your RV door width. The screen door grille features an adjustable width ranging from 22 to 31.5 inches, making it versatile for various RV door sizes. Before installation, close your RV door from the inside and measure the door's width. Use the measurements to loosely attach the side panels for an initial adjustment. The package includes 8 flathead screws, 8 larger anti-loosening washers, and 8 smaller regular washers. Assemble each screw by stacking 1 anti-loosening washer and 1 regular washer. These screws will secure the corners of the center panel to lock its width in place. Now, because the center panel already has fixed nuts at the corners, you just need to tighten the screws into place. Start by attaching 1 screw at each corner, top, bottom, left, and right loosely so the side panels can still slide. This lets you adjust the width for a perfect fit. If the screws are too tight, you can loosen them slightly to make it easier to slide the side panels and adjust the width as needed. Using your measurements, adjust the side panels to match your RV door width, ensuring both sides are symmetrical for a polished look. Finally, secure the second batch of screws at all 4 corners, completing the main structure. Made from durable 0.2-inch thick aluminum, this grille is sturdy enough to withstand furry friends' claws, protecting your screen mesh. It also keeps toddlers safe by preventing them from falling through the screen door. Finish by fastening the 6 self-tapping screws to the door frame like this, and you're done. Get yours today. Links in the description.